Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Eat this for dinner 3 days in a row. You will be amazed what will come out of your body. We all know the importance of maintaining a healthy weight, and therefore we all try to lose some weight. But sometimes this aim isn't that easy to achieve. Even though you have cut out unhealthy food from your diet and started to exercise, that excess pounds may not go away. One of the major reasons might be your digestive system, digestion issues and weight gain. Digestion issues such as slow bowel movements, indigestion, constipation, etc. are one of the major culprits for weight gain because they allow fat and toxins accumulate in the body. Bowel movements should ideally occur 1 to 2 hours after a meal or even once or twice a day. The reason for slow bowel movements can be some medications, dehydration, lack of fiber, and good flora deficiency in the gut. Furthermore, constipation is a condition when the body has difficulties in emptying the bowels and also hardened feces. This disorder may be a result of low fiber, some medications, irritable bowel syndrome, excessive use of laxatives, put off going to the toilet, dehydration, and colon issues. Last but not the least, indigestion, also called dyspepsia, is a condition when people experience pain and discomfort in the stomach due to the difficulties in digesting food. It can be caused by side effects of certain medicines, acid reflux, disease, peptic ulcers, pancreatic or bile duct abnormalities, and others. Therefore, keeping your gastrointestinal system in a good health may significantly contribute to weight loss. For that purpose, I have prepared a recipe for a detox salad that will eliminate the fecal fat from the bowels, flush out toxins from the body, supply the body with fiber, and balance the pH. Eat this salad for dinner 3 days in a row and you will be surprised by the results. The vitamin salad. Ingredients: cabbage, beet, carrot, lemon juice, vegetable oil, seasonings optional. Instructions. The method of preparation is very simple. All you need to do is grate 3 pats of cabbage, 1 pat of beet, and 1 pat of carrots. Then add some seasoning herbs if you prefer so. Next, mix the ingredients well and add a little bit of lemon juice. At the end, sprinkle with some vegetable oil, ideally olive oil. This salad will provide you plenty of minerals and vitamins, as well as other nutrients such as fiber and pectin. Enjoy! If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.